channel po. Hanapin niyo po, Biyahe ni Charlotte.
Yes. Biyahe ni Charlotte.
Biyahe ni Charlotte.
Biyahe ni Charlotte.
Biyahe ng
Biyahe ni Charlotte.
Yes.
Hello.
On former First Lady Imelda Marcos. So meaning, if Imelda's known around the world, being the husband and the mother of the President of the Philippines, hold and behold, I come to say that this lady has a very, very big future, for she was born in a very lucky and bright star. That all the blessings will just come to her. But in fairness, she is smart, she is beautiful, and definitely she is tall, where I'm short. But the dad, Colonel Aragon, is tall. Anyway, my cousin is tall as well. But I don't care. Height doesn't matter, mga kalahi. So don't you worry. Mayroon din tayong talent. Maski hindi naman tayo matangkad. Pero I know that she is not perfect because only God's are perfect, but she is close to perfect. And this celebration is hindi siya nakaselebrate ng debut during the pandemic, but I would say with hundreds of people singing happy birthday to you is already a great thing to remember. That God, because you're a good girl, and because you love God and you love people, for that reason, we are celebrating your birthday. And thank you so much, Miss Maricar, for being part of your life and an inspiration to your mom and to me to really, really support you every step of the way. Once again, let us give a big round of applause to our celebrant, Miss Maricar Aragon, who's been singing and supporting since the time we start our business. And now is the launching of our company, timely on her birthday. Worth to be remembered.
Once again, happy birthday, Maricar! And thank you for that wonderful message, Madam Chelsea. Any message din, diba? Or reply?
Siyempre po, una po sa lahat, it would not be possible na yun po, na ma-surprise po ako dito po sa SM North Sky Dome kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, Ma'am Chelsea. Thank you so much po. And ayun po, naging napakalaki din po ng impact ninyo sa buhay namin. Kasi po, syempre din po, ka-birthday nyo din po si Mami. Parang sobrang dami pong coincidence. It's more than a coincidence po talaga. I'm very, very grateful po na nakilala namin kayo. And we found a friend and a family in you po. So, thank you so much po.
Thank you. And of course, celebrant for July, napakarami. Hindi ko na lang ma-mention lahat ng mga celebrant of July. Please raise your hands. July celebrants. Okay, so once again, happy birthday to you all, and let's keep the program going.
Alright, thank you so much, Dr. Chelsea, and together with Miss Maricar Aragon.
The management, the leaders, and those people who are behind this company, I would like to express my profound thanks and gratitude for coming over. You are all welcome to this occasion. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the company.
Video, i-cover niyo yung ano natin dito sa portion na to. And then, si Maricar, nasaan siya yung lead singer ng Tulong-Tulong na nanay.
Okay. And now, tawagin po natin dito sa stage.
At mag-lead po ng ating team song.
Yes.
Mga singers.
Akin po tayo sa stage.
Ang ating mga champions.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, for the theme song of CWIC, Tulong-Tulong by Ato Arman. Ayan, pakikita ko sa mo sa LAB. muna tayo lahat.
Hindi ko iparapol ang kotse kasi kulang. Pero isa sa inyo, physically present, uuwi ng motorcycle. Bulacan. Pastor Angelo Tadio. Okay, picture. Nandito na ang ating direct.
Tawag kayo.
Picture. One more time. Picture kasama yung sis ko sa picture. My sister smile dyan para kasama ka sa picture. Pwede tayo upo para makita. Sige, pagbaba na lang natin sa baba para makita ang sister ko.
Ayan, kita mo
Ay,
kayo sa
ang sister
stage.
ko.
May YouTube po ako, may YouTube channel po ako. Hanapin niyo po Biyahe ni Charlotte.
Biyahe ni Charlotte.
Biyahe ni Charlotte.
Biyahe ni Charlotte.
Biyahe ng Biyahe ni Charlotte.
Biyahe.
Biyahe ni Charlotte. Lahat po ng bansang napuntahan. Ngayon, si WIC na.
WIC na.
Biyahe ni si WIC.
Okay, one more time. Picture.
Ayun na ba? No more time.
Talaga ng boses niya. Talaga.
Ay, panagpiling niya kung sino yung pili ha.
Kumanta ba yan ngayon?
And now, while we are having our food, mga leaders, makikuha ng attendance. Everyone, make sure yung mga guests ninyo para sa ating motorcycle ride.
Ayan, very exciting yan dahil meron na yata dito sa loob ng sa loob ng box. Ilagay nga.
Kailangan lahat ay mayroong or form na lang siguro, wag na lang yung ticket, form na lang.
She's got what it takes to
yung na-future ako, sabi ko nga Lord, kahit simpleng tao lang naman ako, nakaharap lang ako noon Kaya nga sabi ko ngayon ma'am, di ba, na salamat at nakilala ko si Ma'am Chensa, si Sir Bawe, si Sir Val, lahat ng Spartans dito. Sabi ko, balang araw, makikilala ako at kasama itong company. Salamat po.
Hey, ang hindi lahat ba ako nito?
Di ba kayo excited? Sino?
Isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Ayan na siya. Sino kaya, madam?
Sino kaya ang magkakamit ng motorcycle?
Ipinanganak sa
July 2, 1986.
Batang bata.
birthday ngayon.
Birthday?
Sino?
Ano na, partner?
3, 2, 1.
Sino kaya ito?
Sandali. May gamot ba kayo sa hilo? Sarot. Sarot lang.
Bagong Silang City.
Talamasang sila ang sila dyan.
Baka natin. Yes, pinatawag siya. Meron na siyang picture dahil napakagaling in-drawing talaga mga mukha ninyo. Palakpakan natin si... yes, oo. So... Sino pa?